In this video, we'll be showing you how to apply the Innate Life Scalp Treatment. It's best you apply the products on dry, unwashed hair before wash day. Part your hair in the middle so your scalp is visible. Using a pea-sized amount of product on your fingertips, you will apply the scalp treatment directly to your scalp. Massage the product in for a couple of seconds before moving on. Part your hair using a 1-inch section and repeat the process until the front of your scalp is covered, paying extra attention to trouble areas where hair is thinner. For the back section of your head, we recommend securing half of your hair up with a clip or elastic and massaging the product into your scalp. Once the product has been fully applied, you can massage your scalp for 3 to 5 minutes to increase blood flow and stimulate growth. The scalp treatment should be left in for a couple of hours or overnight. Wash out as usual. You may need to shampoo twice to get all the oils out of your scalp. This treatment can be used once or twice a week.